Hello all. Today we will discuss about pipes and cisterns. Yeah, as already said, we are going to use the same logic, speed equal to distance by time, for pipes and cisterns. Let's move on and look how to apply the logic here. So in normal speed related problems, speed, distance and time will be very evident. So here in pipes and cisterns, we have to look for the corresponding elements. So here the water flowing through the pipe will act as speed. So the distance is going to be the full content of the cistern. D, the distance here we can assume as 1 as in 100%. So now directly substituting into the formula speed equal to distance by time, we will get A equal to D by T. A is the speed of water, D is the capacity of cistern, and T is the time it takes to fill the cistern. Three pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 30, 20 and 10 minutes. So when the tank is empty, all the three pipes are opened. A, B and C discharge P, Q and R. So what is the ratio proportion of R in the liquid after 3 minutes? Okay, so now we have to find the ratio of C with respect to A, B and C. Okay, let's solve now. So from the formula we know A is equal to D by T, D which is 1. So for A, B and C it is going to be A equal to 1 by 30, B equal to 1 by 20 and C equal to 1 by 10. So now the total amount of water filled by A, B and C together is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10. So now we know all the pipes has been opened for 3 minutes. So the amount of water filled by C, A, B and C together for 3 minutes is 3 into A plus B plus C, which is equal to D. The above equation is substituting the formula speed into time equal to distance. Now substitute the value for A, B and C and solve to find D. Equal to 3 by 10 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 11 by 20. So totally in 3 minutes, 11 by 20th part of tank was filled together by A, B and C. So now let's see the contribution of C in 3 minutes. So which is directly 3 into C. Three into 1 by 10. 3 by 10. Now we need the ratio for C with respect to A, B, C together for 3 minutes. So C is 3 by 10 and total ABC is 11 by 20. Now calculating the ratio, which is 3 by 10 by 11 by 20. Equal to 6 by 11. So the ratio of C with respect to A, B, C for 3 minutes is 6 by 11. If you are not able to understand, no problem. Please watch again. So next question. A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours. C can empty it in 12 hours. If all are open together, the tank will be filled in. To find the amount of time the tank gets filled, we have to apply the same logic. We have to sum A, B and C. For C, the value should be negative since it is emptying the tank. As already said, D will be 1. A equal to 1 by 5, B equal to 1 by 6 and C equal to 1 by 12. The rate of A, B and C together filling the tank was 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. So this is minus because pipe C is emptying the tank. Minus 1 by 12. So solving this will give us A plus B plus C, so which is 17 by 60. So we know A plus B plus C is 1 by T, where 1 is the distance and T is the time which we need to calculate. So from calculation, T equal to 60 by 17. If you are not able to understand, no problem, please watch again. So pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 37.5 and 45 minutes. The cistern will be filled in half an hour if B is turned off after. So now we have to calculate the time when B is turned off in order to fill the cistern in 30 minutes. So A is 37 by 2 and B is 45. So we are converting into fraction, which is 75 by 2. So from the question we know A and B together running for some time, which is X. So and after X, B is turned off. Only A is running. So this will be X. This will be 30 minus X. Sorry, that is A. Now we have to write the equation, which is important for aptitude. So in X minutes, A and B are running together, plus for 30 minus X minutes, A is running alone, so that they can fill the tank, which is 1. As already discussed, D is going to be 1. For aptitude, always keep the numbers in fraction. Don't use decimals because fraction might eventually get cancelled out. A is 1 by 75 by 2 and B is 1 by 45. So now substitute A and B in the equation to get X. Sorry, I did a mistake in bracket. So now cancelling out 2x by 75. So we'll get x by 45 plus 60 by 75 equal to 1. So moving to that side, x by 45 equal to 1 minus 60 by 75. So which gives x by 45 equal to 15 by 75. So just cancelling 15 and 75. 15 5s are 75. So we'll get 1 by 5. So therefore x is equal to 45 by 5, which is 9. Which means we have to turn off B after 9 minutes in order to fill the tank in 30 minutes. If you are not able to understand, no problem. Please watch again. Do like, share and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video.